Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iOS 17 major keyboard lag. So guys, if you are facing a keyboard lag after updating to the latest version of iOS 17, so you are in the right video. In this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to do is update to the latest version of iOS 17. Apple frequently release updates to iOS to address performance issues, bugs, and glitches. Check if there is a newer iOS version available and update your device. So you have to go to your settings, go to General, tap on Software Update, and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After this, then you have to do is close background apps. Too many background apps can consume system resources, potentially causing keyboard lag. So you have to swipe up from the bottom of your screen to access to app switcher and swipe away unnecessary apps. After this, and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is clear keyboard cache. Some keyboard lag issues may be resolved by cleaning keyboard cache. To do this, you have to go to your settings, tap on your general, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset keyboard dictionary, and try a passcode and try to fix your issue. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is check your reduce motion and transparency. Reduce motion and transparency effects in iOS can improve overall system performance. You have to go to your settings, go to accessibility, or go to motion and turn the reduce motion on. And also you have to make sure to enabling reduce transparency. After this, and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is disable your predictive text. If predictive text is causing lag, you can try and turn it off temporarily by going to your settings, go to keyboard. You can see scroll down and you can see your option predictive. Simply disable it. After trying this all solution and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is reset all settings on your iPhone. You can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This will won't erase your data but will reset all settings to their default values. To do this, you have to open your general, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.